Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel where we demonstrate hacks and show simple tricks on how to address basic or common computing problems. In this tutorial, the problem we're going to be solving is that of the computer speed. The slowness of your computer, that is what we're going to address now. I will help you solve that problem. Many computer users do not know that they can actually increase or step up the speed of their processors or their computer systems without buying extra memory or buying extra processor or paying a dime for it. The system itself comes configured. So what a user needs to do is basically to know the tricks on how to improve the speed without paying a dime for it. So I'm going to demonstrate to you right now how you can achieve that within 1 minute. So if you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, 9, 10 upward, now this trick I'm going to show you is going to work perfectly for any of the platforms I've just mentioned. So to get started, what you need to do or where you need to go to is go to your start button, or you go straight to the search bar, like I'm showing you with an arrow where your search bar is. Okay, so that's the point of interest to us, the search bar. That's where you're going to type the command run, RUN, and then you hit enter. Then it brings up this box, or you can simply press the Windows button on your computer and arrow, and then it brings up this, and then you type msconfig into the box. Msconfig is our second command we are running now. It's a command of interest. Take notes. Okay, then hit OK. OK brings up this this box that we are seeing, and then here our point of interest is boot. Boot is our point of interest. We tap on boot and it brings up another box. Then we click on advanced options. So advanced options is another point of interest for us. When you click on that, it brings up a boot advanced option where it shows us the number of active processors. Okay, that's our point of interest, number of processors, and then it tells us that there is one active processor. So once we check on the number of processors, it shows us the available processors. For my computer that I'm using for this demonstration, there are 4 processors embedded in one. You can imagine that only one has been used. So I select 4. I want to use 4 processors, and then our next point of interest is OK. So I'll click on OK, and then I'll go straight to apply. Okay, so apply is our next point of interest. Okay, so let's apply and see. All right, so that's done. The next place we want to go to is startup. Startup programs are programs that load the moment your system starts booting. So they can slow your system down if there are too many. So to do that, just tap on there on that startup, and then it asks you to open Task Manager. Then the Task Manager shows you the available startup programs. You can see them listed here. Yours might be fewer or more depending on the programs that are running on your system at the time. Okay, so here you find the programs, the status for each of the programs, whether the programs are enabled or not. Then you can mark, you can identify the ones you want to disable. Okay, so for me, I want to disable maybe 4 or 5 of these programs to increase my boot speed, so that when my system boots up, the speed will be higher. So I'm just identifying them. I've not yet disabled them. I'm showing you for you to know the ones I want to disable. So I want to do, okay, let me take the 5th one. All right, so these 5 programs I want to disable. So to disable, I right click on each of them, and then I take disable. Then the next one, right click, check disable. The 3rd one, right click, then click on disable, and then I moved down the same thing, So that's basically what you do for any program you want to disable. All right, so let me close this now. So I've come back to the main dialog box. Okay, so the other thing I might want to do is I might want to disable other services. There are several services. Services are programs that are running on your computer or have been stopped. So a service can be stopped or can be left active to be running. So our point of interest there is services. All right, and I've already shown you the list of services I have on my own computer. So for anyone I want to run or stop, I just select or deselect. Okay, select or deselect depending on anyone I want to stop or I want to set to run. So you go through your own computer and do anyone, and then I want to hide Microsoft services. So what do? I just click on this hide all Microsoft services. So these other programs listed here now are not Microsoft services. So I might want to disable any of these programs. Okay, so let me just scroll down. There are many programs here that I want to disable to increase. So then if I'm okay, I'll go straight to apply and then I hit OK key. And then once I do that, then it brings me to it brings me up to this system configuration, asking me to restart my computer or to exit without restart. Now, if I want the changes I've made to take effect or to be accepted, obviously I'll need to restart my computer. So once I restart now, the system is going to load faster, and then while using the system, it's going to be a lot faster than the way it was. So that is how to increase the speed of your computer without stress, okay, without you having to pay for extra memory or to pay for extra processor. All right, I do hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, the simple tricks on how to increase your computer speed by the commands that I've shown you how to run. Okay, and once you've run the commands, reboot your system, you will discover that the speed of your computer would have been increased. Please go ahead, like the video, watch other videos, subscribe so that when new content are uploaded on the channel, you get to be notified directly, and then share with your friends. Thank you.